Hey guys, Fire King here, and today I'm actually going to be showing you guys 2 tricks on the butterfly knife. You guys probably already saw my Lego one because my parents don't let me have one until I know how to use one properly, so I have to learn by this one. Yeah guys, and today we're actually going to be showing you guys, well, I am not. Wait guys, I'm so sorry, way better guys. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I'm on my bed right now, I barely woke up. Yeah guys, hold that. So for the first one is called an ice pick. You're going to want to grab it by the safe handle. For me, the one with the black side is the bite handle, and the gray side is the safe handle. I actually have my own opening. I don't swing it open, turn it, and then go like that. I go like this, guys. I throw it, swing it, and catch it. Yeah, guys. So, the first trick is called an ice pick. You're going to want to, from the safe handle, you're going to want to throw it out. Okay, guys? For this trick, you're going to want to hold it from the edge. Throw it out, and after that, you're going to want to swing it down, but move your fingers with it. So go like this, guys. Go like this. Keep your fingers still until you get to this position. And after that, swing it and catch it. And to close it is the exact same thing, guys. You can also do this opposite, guys. Look, guys. Exact same steps. Guys, so it doesn't matter what way you use it. And okay, second one is called the Zen rollover. And the Zen rollover, what it does, you have to spin it around your fingers. Look, guys. Like that, okay? Okay, guys, one more time. Oh. Sorry, guys. Wait, guys, it fell off. Dang, that sucks. Wait, what the guys? What? Okay, guys. Okay, guys, the Zen rollover, I already showed you how it looks. So you're gonna throw it until it hits your fingers. It's gonna go around. You're gonna catch it and do any way that you want to open it. Okay, guys, let me show you one more time. You're gonna throw it. You're gonna want to spin it